All right, we want to get you another update here from the First Alert Weather Center. We've been monitoring radar. Right now, we're keeping an eye on that tornado warning. That's going to be for Linn County, southeastern parts of Linn County. So we've been monitoring those trends very closely. Again, in the metro, there are just a few showers and storms popping up, seeing more thunderstorm severe weather off to the west. But we are monitoring, again, this is going to be Linn County, so one of our more eastern communities. And we're going to take a closer look at the southeastern part of the county there. So this is well to the east of the Kansas City metro. This is near Marceline, south of Buckland. I'm going to go ahead and switch the mode on radar here and show you the area that we're monitoring. So the spot that we're keeping an eye on here, and this is what we call a radar indicated tornado warning, meaning that we're still seeing some rotation. So you see some of that brighter green. So that's wind flowing into the storm. You've got some of the red next to it, so you've got wind flowing out from the storm there. So that's our area of rotation that we are monitoring. Again, this is just southeast of Marceline. This storm's about to make its way out of Linn County and move into northwestern Chariton County. So we do want to make sure we get you that first alert there. I'll put a track on this storm as it is moving towards the east and southeast, and I believe it's about 35 miles an hour if I can drag that out a little bit farther. I'll redraw that track for you here. Let me go ahead and turn that off. But again, so this storm is exiting or moving almost out of Linn County. So again, if you live just east of Marceline, that's going to be an area where we are keeping an eye on that potential of a tornado. So draw a new track on here for you if you live in this area. Again, no areas popping up. It's more of a rural area. So that is a spot that we're watching, again, just off to the east of Marceline. I do want to go ahead and put on our rotation product here, and you can see just a little bit of rotation there as well. So this is something that we're going to certainly keep an eye on for you in Linn County. So this is well to the east of the metro, and I'll put this back on the regular radar mode that you're used to seeing. So there's the area that we're monitoring just off to the east of Marceline. This is going to be south and east of Brookfield. This storm is moving eastward, so it's going to be heading away from you, but still has that stronger rotation there, that possibility of producing a tornado as it's moving out of your county into Chariton County there with that tornado threat. Some heavy rain, a lot of lightning as well. So looking back at the area as a whole, I do want to show you, if you're wondering, how are things shaping up back farther west, closer to the metro. There are a few showers and thunderstorms trying to pop up. They are having some difficulty developing. And then we do have some stronger thunderstorms farther off to the west, closer to Topeka. Those will likely start to weaken eventually the farther east that they go over the next hour or so. So we're monitoring storms to the west out towards Topeka. A few smaller showers and thunderstorms popping up in northern parts of Platte County and northern Leavenworth County. These are not severe. And then back towards the east in eastern parts of Linn County. I'm going to zoom back in and show you the area that has that tornado warning. This is going to be in a rural part of Linn County, southeastern Linn County, getting ready to roll into Chariton County. So near Marceline, but this is more so just off to your east, now almost into Chariton County. So this is the area with that tornado warning that we are monitoring for you with that rotation that we're seeing in that thunderstorm. So if you do live near Marceline or just east of Marceline in Linn County, you need to be in your safe place right now with that tornado warning there. Again, that storm's about to exit the county, so we're going to keep an eye on that for you. We'll let you know if we do see any additional severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings. And for now, that's the latest from the First Alert Weather Center.